Alright guys, how you guys doing today? It is Sunday.
Your head not in here.
My head ain't in it. It's okay. My head ain't got to be in it. I'm just showing the stuff. I just want to show you some items I got for a client for their room. Some new sheets from Amazon, comforter, and a pillow. Let me see, the brand is... The brand is covered up. Oh my gosh. Well, I don't know the brand. The brand's covered up. Oh, CGK linens. CGK linens. It is a full-size set with the flat sheet and the pillowcases. And the flat sheet stripe set, blue and white. Really cute. Oh. This is also a queen size from Amazon. Let's see if the brand is in here. I don't think so. But I can put that in my description box or in my shopping haul app. Shop My app, I'm sorry. This is crazy. Now this one, I don't know. We're gonna see though. Oh, it's so pretty, y'all. Oh, look at it. Oh, I like it. Man, let me put all this garbage in. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to put the new sheets on the bed. One is enough. Right in the middle. Do you guys see how gorgeous that look? Look at that. Hey guys, hey. Let me move this out of the way. I want to do a quick grocery haul for you. I went to Walmart and got a few things. Hi, I am Michelle. Today is Tuesday. This is my the beginning of my new blog. If you don't know, my name is Michelle from Michelle Home. And I do all things. What do? I cook, honey, of course. I grocery shop. I do my grocery hauls. I clean. I decorate, garden, all of the things. Okay, so let's get started. My chip clips I wanted to get. I got croissants, all butter croissants, the mini and the large ones. I also got some donuts. What are these? Boston cream filled donuts. I got a apple caramel pie. I got 3 large cans of yams. I got some protein instant oatmeal, apple and cinnamon, Nature Valley sweet and salty, Nature Valley biscuit almond butter, and I got the peanut butter ones. I also got some cookies and cream cereal, some pretzel, garlic pretzel crisp, Oinko yogurt. I got the 000. I got the, what is this? Vanilla, and I got a mixed berry. 2 rotisserie chickens. I got a pineapple, some lactate-free milk, a bag of peeled pistachios. I also got some shredded carrots, baby carrots, a bag of broccoli. I got a thing of fresh cauliflower, a bag of 3 avocados, some buns, some red baby potatoes, I got some cage-free 18 eggs, some bacon, some beef burgers for dinner, what else? Oh, I got some lemons, 2 bunches of bananas, some celery, I got some zucchini, and a thing of peppers, and also I got some tuna creations, different flavors. I got ranch, spicy hickory smoke flavor, sweet and spicy, roasted garlic herb, and Southwest style. And then I got a pack of the Alaskan pink salmon. I got some Heinz 57 sauce, some sun-dried tomato dressing, some sweet honey Catalina, a big thing of ketchup, avocado mayo, and I got some Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar. I got some ranch. I also got some pomegranate juice. I got some fresh deli cut turkey and chicken breast. Some baby cucumber, Chex Mix. And I got 2 things of raspberries, 2 things of blackberries, and a thing of fruit blend, a large thing of blueberries, and cherry tomatoes. That is my haul, guys. So, this is how it's looking. Milk, my juice, my condiments, eggs, veggies, dips. And then in here, little snacks with my chips. yogurt, veggies, cheese, lunch meat, bacon in there. Right here, got butter, cream cheese, little sauces, my little gravy, not gravy, my chili onion up here, some veggies, fruit right there, vegetables, rotisserie chicken, the pie, and then this side, here is cereal, fruit containers, some chips, some more snacks. So yeah, Angus burgers for dinner. Alright, so we are going to have some Angus burgers. I just got some nice burgers. Spread this around. Okay. So I'm sure he wants to. Okay, put that down. That. Maybe one more sturdy piece. Yes, that one. Right. I'm not going to be able to wrap it. I'm just going to top it. So pretty. Alright guys, I want to try my burger with you guys, with the lettuce and all the goodies. That's good. I mean, lemon water. A whole lifestyle change for me. And it's not because of the new year. It's just, I'm due. I'm due. Cheers, everybody, to new beginnings. Just bigger things are about to happen for me that are bigger than I even can imagine for myself. And I can imagine big, honey. But just watch what I tell you how God works. He already working with me. But just watch. Everything happened for a reason. When it's supposed to happen. And I'm trying not to rush things, but yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you when I come back.